Today I've got 2 blind buys from Fragrance World, and honestly I have no idea what to expect. Welcome to the Italian Gentleman. Let's test this out. First up, Fragrance World Uomo. This is supposed to be an alternative to Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme, but L'Uomo in Italian it means l'homme, the man. There was no plastic, just the box. Opening the box, and the bottle looks like this, very reminiscent of Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme. The color of the juice also. I never heard of this one. I bought it only because it was $9. So let's see how it smells. Yeah, this is very fresh right from the start. Citrus, also ginger. Very clean, a little bit of woods, and actually reminds me also a little bit of Dolce & Gabbana Pure Malt, this soapy kind of undertone. Let me see very quickly the notes here. Yes, it has bergamot, lemon and ginger in the top, violet leaves, basil and white pepper in the middle, and vetiver, tonka bean, cedarwood in the base. This is a super smooth masculine scent, very clean, versatile. Actually, for a blind buy, if you can find it under $10 or $15, it's worth it, in my opinion. Now let's try Fragrance World Men Nebula. This is inspired by Mugler Pure Malt, a discontinued fragrance that I actually never smelled. I bought this one after watching a video of Stuart from Scent of Style. Side note, if you don't know his channel, you need to check it out ASAP. So here's the presentation, and so how the bottle looks like. People say is smoky, wood and boozy. Well, let's find out. Wow, wait, yeah, this is incredible. Actually, it also reminds me a little bit of Carlyle, Parfum de Marly, and it has this booziness for sure. Tobacco, I smell tobacco, sweetness, it has some sweet notes. It has also some similarities with Insurrection Too Wild, and I also get a coffee note, but let's see the notes here very quickly. It has some orange and bergamot, whiskey, malt, patchouli, coffee, cedar, vanilla, amber and musk. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my wrist. Well, I have to say, it has a quite unique smell. I never smelled something like this before, very peculiar smell. I think that's a perfect mix between masculine, clean, fresh, and at the same time sweet and woody, a little bit of tobacco. I get a tobacco note. And for sure it smells way more expensive than it is. I paid it only $15, so it's really a steal if you think about it. Well, so far from the first impressions, both smell really incredible, and the price is amazing. I paid $9 and $15. Fragrance World fragrances are often miss and hit. In this case, I like both of them. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.